Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Frank Maxwell and welcome back to Diabetes Medic. In our last video, we covered the first 8 critical warning signs your body sends when it's deficient in vital nutrients. Deficiencies that are often accelerated by the high sugar and high insulin state of diabetes. Today, we're diving deeper into this list. This group of signs focuses heavily on neurological and circulatory issues that, when corrected, can have a profound impact on stabilizing your blood sugar and energy. We have a new, very specific sign to add to this list today that is often missed in clinical assessment. Let's continue our critical list of deficiency clues. The 9 signs. Your body is starving. Part 2 of 3. 1. Chapped lips. Just like cracking at the corners of the mouth, persistently chapped lips usually indicate a vitamin B2, riboflavin, deficiency. This B vitamin is essential for tissue repair, and it is easily depleted when your diet relies on heavily refined grains and processed starches that rob your body of its natural B vitamin stores. Actionable remedy. Stop consuming processed grains and supplement with unfortified nutritional yeast, a highly bioavailable source of B vitamins. Second, swollen ankles, pitting edema. This uncomfortable swelling that retains a thumbprint when pressed, pitting edema, is a common sign of potassium deficiency. In the diabetic body, high insulin levels cause the kidneys to aggressively retain sodium and, in the process, flush out potassium. This throws off the fluid balance, causing swelling. Actionable remedy. Dramatically increase your consumption of leafy green vegetables, which are packed with potassium, and concurrently reduce your intake of refined sugar and excess salt. Third, craving ice, pica. This strange, persistent craving for chewing or crunching ice is a classic, often ignored sign of iron deficiency, which can lead to anemia. Iron is essential for carrying oxygen in the blood. This deficiency is particularly common in menstruating women. Actionable remedy. Incorporate high-quality, bioavailable iron sources into your diet. Red meat, liver, or specialized grass-fed organ supplements. Fourth, chest pain, angina. While any chest pain requires immediate medical evaluation, non-cardiac or stable angina can sometimes be linked to a vitamin E deficiency. Refined grains and processed foods often contain oils that are stripped of or destroy natural vitamin E. Vitamin E acts as a crucial antioxidant, protecting the delicate lining of your arteries and blood vessels from inflammatory damage. Actionable remedy. Avoid refined grains and highly processed oils. Supplement with tocotrienol, a form of vitamin E that is far more potent and effective at protecting arterial health than the common tocopherol form. Fifth, leg or calf cramps. Waking up with a sudden, painful cramp is the quintessential sign of a magnesium deficiency. Magnesium is central to muscle relaxation. It is essential for over 300 enzyme reactions in your body and is the central atom in chlorophyll. Actionable remedy, eat more deep green vegetables like spinach and kale. Supplement with a highly absorbable form of magnesium, like magnesium glycinate, before bed. Note, deficiencies in potassium or sodium can also contribute, emphasizing the need for a balanced whole food diet. Sixth, irritability, nervousness, or excessive thinking. If you feel chronically on edge, struggle with nervous energy, or find your mind racing uncontrollably, especially at night, this is often a flag for a severe vitamin B1, thiamine deficiency. Thiamine is the primary nutrient required for calming the nervous system. When depleted by sugar, the nervous system becomes hyperactive. Actionable remedy. Use nutritional yeast daily. It calms the nervous system, supports metabolic pathways, and significantly reduces that overthinking anxiety that disrupts sleep. Seventh, asthma. Chronic inflammation in the lungs and airways is frequently associated with widespread vitamin D deficiency. Vitamin D is a powerful hormone that modulates immune response and reduces inflammation throughout the body. This is why asthmatic and inflammatory symptoms often improve with consistent sun exposure. Natural vitamin D synthesis. Actionable remedy. Get regular, sensible sun exposure and ensure your vitamin D levels are optimized through supplementation, especially during winter months. 8th, loss of outer eyebrows. This specific hair loss pattern, thinning or complete loss of the outer third of the eyebrows, is a hallmark indicator of thyroid dysfunction, which almost always involves an underlying iodine deficiency. The thyroid hormones, T3 and T4, are essential for metabolism and require iodine for their synthesis. Low thyroid function slows metabolism and can impact blood sugar control. Actionable remedy. Supplement with sea kelp or iodine drops. Kelp is one of the best natural sources for high-quality, bioavailable iodine. 9. Tightness in the right trapezius area. This persistent, dull tension or tightness, specifically in the muscle near the right shoulder blade, is often a neurological reflection of gallbladder issues or a bile salt deficiency. When the gallbladder is stressed, it can refer pain to this specific area of the body. Improving bile flow can often resolve this chronic muscular tension. Actionable remedy. Supplement with purified bile salts to help the gallbladder function optimally and relieve this referred muscular pain. My final take. The profound connection here is that nearly all of these 17 signs are either caused or accelerated by the constant metabolic drain of high sugar and refined foods. When you stop feeding the deficiency, when you remove the sugar and add the right nutrients, your body can heal rapidly. For the diabetes medic community, fixing these deficiencies is a powerful non-pharmaceutical path to better glucose control and overall well-being. If this vital information has opened your eyes to your body's hidden needs, it's time to take action and join our mission. Hit the like button. That quick click tells the algorithm that metabolic and nutritional truth needs to be spread. Subscribe to Diabetes Medic. Don't miss the final part of this series, where we reveal the remaining 6 signs and the exact plan to conquer them. Leave a comment. Which of these 17 signs are you going to tackle first, and what nutrient will you prioritize? Your comments power this channel and help us reach more people who deserve to feel healthy. The video on screen now is the best to watch next. Click on it now and I will see you there. Thank you for watching.